National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Allegan County in southwestern Michigan, Berry County in southwestern Michigan, until 7:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:51 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Martin, or 14 miles west of Hastings, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Hastings, Wayland, Middleville, Nashville, Martin, Orangeville, Irving, Assyria, Woodland, Delton, Bradley, Banfield, Gun Lake, Yankee Springs, Hastings City, Berry, Perryville, Dowling, Pine Lake, Shelbyville, Cloverdale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is the